How to access Royal Dutch Airlines lounge in Amsterdam. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply search for Access KLM Lounge in Amsterdam and then click on the first link. Then you're gonna get redirected here. We're gonna basically see how this works. So basically what you're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down, and as you can see, in most cases you can directly purchase lounge access when booking your ticket via My Trip or during check-in, my bad. But so what you're gonna have to do is simply click on arrange your lounge access, and then you're gonna get redirected here, and then simply enter your booking code and your last name that appears on the flight ticket, and then click on search, and then you're gonna have the option to basically get access to the lounge in Amsterdam. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.